Hi, I'm Kim, your Grandview Customer Care Specialist. It is my job to make sure everything goes smoothly once you've accepted Grandview's Fair Cash offer. By this point, you have taken the time to review the contract with your family and trusted advisors. Select a close date that works for you. It could be in as little as 7 days from when we received the signed contract, or any time after that. Give us a call or send an email letting us know that you would like to accept the offer, or simply send us a copy of the signed contract. The contract you received through email can be signed electronically or printed out, signed, and returned via email, fax, or FedEx. If you have not already, please share the contract with your attorney that will be representing you for the closing. Stay in contact with them throughout the closing process and make sure they have everything they need from you. Once the closing is scheduled, we will set up a quick final walkthrough of the home. Now is the time to start packing up the things you would like to take, and remember, you can leave any personal belongings that you would like. We will take care of that for you. It is all part of our program. Just please don't leave behind anything with a title, such as a car, and please don't leave behind any pets. I am here to answer any questions you might have along the way. Just give me a call. Thank you for choosing the name you know and the name you trust, Grandview Homes.